so this video is gonna be my career counseling vlog. So you guys might be knowing that I am currently in grade 10th and soon I would be going to grade 11th next year. Like obviously I have to go to grade 11. So in grade 11 you basically have to choose streams in the sense the subjects which you would be studying further. So if you guys are already in 10th or in 11th, you know how confusing this is. Like I'm so stressed out on what to exactly take because I like all of them. Like I can't actually decide what exactly shall I choose. So that's the reason I thought for getting a career counseling session, like a proper professional career counseling session. So that's the reason I start searching up on internet. I started searching people across. So I came across a website called planetstudy.in. So they basically take career counseling sessions and they're online. So what won't be better than that? So I thought of getting enrolled in that and I got enrolled. So yeah, now without further ado, let's get right into the video where I will be showing you the process of the enrollment and the career counseling session too. So let's go. Hey guys, so this is the previous day and I was actually asked to solve a few assessments given on the website of Planet Study. So they basically had 5 assessments from which I had already solved the previous ones such as stream selection, EQ or IQ orientation, advanced personality assessment, learning habits, and now I was left with the aptitude test. So they weren't that difficult. They basically had really basic questions and all the previous sections had situation based questions, like they were given a situation and then I was asked what I would do if I was there. So here in the aptitude test I had really basic questions and it was quite fun to solve all of them, and I solved 5 tests in just in half an hour. So guys, right after solving up my assessment, I got my stream clarity report. So it had its growth plan, career and its importance, stream selections according to the assessments I had given, my IQ orientation and advanced personality assessment. I felt that all of these were so accurate, like whatever I thought in real, they actually knew that. And then at the last they had their master graph, which included all the topics covered in the PDF. So next I had my detailed analysis report. So this was a quite long report, like a 41 pages, but it had all the things mentioned in the previous one. Instead, they were all in detail. Hey guys, so it's currently 4:50 p.m. and now after a few minutes I'm actually having my career counseling session. So let's see how this goes now.
Shambhavi, this side Professor Chanda Jain. I have been into training and development and counseling for past 20 years. I am heading the research and development team of Planet Study also. I have written 15 books on mind map technology for the students of 6th to 10th standard in science, mathematics and SST areas. I have been among the top performers of IIT Bombay 2 times in education technology. I take workshops across India for faculty members, for students on various topics like stress management, like the psychometric assessments, and then mind mapping and also counseling. This was a little brief about me. I'm a certified counselor from University of Berkeley, California, and also a certified happiness counselor. So I trust that this session would be useful for you.
Isn't this cool, guys? Right after a few hours of my career counseling session, I received my Planet Study Certificate of Achievement. Hey guys, so my career counseling session just got over and I can't tell you how great it was. The teacher or the ma'am who was counseling me was such a beautiful person. She was so kind and helpful to me. Like as many doubts I asked her, she cleared all of them, and especially like in the counseling session she talked about all the career options and then my report which was sent to them after my assessment. So Like, I was so shocked that they know each and everything about me. Like, I met her today, I haven't met her before, but she knows what I do, how I like to learn, and like the personality traits, the aptitude test, like they were so accurate that I can't tell you guys. So I highly recommend you all who are in grade 10th now, or have finished grade 10th and are to go to grade 11th, or if you are a senior, a junior, no matter which class you are, obviously it does matter, but still I would recommend all of you to take this career counseling session. It is just so helpful, and now I am actually pretty much clear on which stream I have to choose. So after this whole counseling session, I have planned for choosing PCM, physics, chemistry and math. So yeah, I'm pretty much clear regarding this, and I'm really satisfied with this whole career counseling session. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notifications, and comment down below what your favorite part of my video was. Until then, stay safe and keep watching.